Welcome. If you want to set up face unlock in your OPPO A53 2020, and the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down, then go for the fingerprint, face and password, click to add face, input your currently logged method, and after a few seconds we can click here and remember to keep the device between the 20 or 50 centimeters from our face. So right now let's try to recognize our face. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can try to check if it is working. So lock device by power button, then unlock, and as you can see, it is working because right now we can simply swipe to open the device. And right now when I'm going to put my finger on the camera and try to slide, as you can see, the face was not recognized and we have to input our lock method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!